Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of Italian delicacies with a focus on the Giusto Sapore Sicilian hazelnut sweet cream spread. This isn't just any spread. It's crafted with the finest ingredients and centuries-old recipes from Sicily, promising an authentic taste of Italy in every bite. Giusto Sapore takes pride in delivering true Italian flavors, encapsulated in their hazelnut sweet cream spread. It's not just a spread, it's a culinary experience, perfect for enhancing your breakfast toast, filling pastries, topping desserts, or simply enjoying by the spoonful. Made with traditional recipes passed down through generations, each jar reflects the dedication of artisanal producers in Sicily. Bringing the essence of Sicilian sweet creams straight to your home, ensuring premium quality and authenticity. From spreading on morning toast to enriching desserts and even incorporating into savory dishes, this spread adds a delightful touch of Italian indulgence. If you're looking to elevate your culinary adventures with a taste of Sicily, Giusto Sapore Sicilian Hazelnut Sweet Cream Spread is your go-to choice. Whether enjoyed alone or used in creative recipes, it promises a premium experience unmatched by other spreads. Embrace the richness of Italian heritage with every spoonful. That wraps up our review on the Giusto Sapore Sicilian Hazelnut Sweet Cream Spread. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. Thank you for watching Product Critique, where we explore the best products to enhance your lifestyle. See you next time.